Welcome, Seeker. You click this because deep down you know you're ready to break free. If you've been wanting to try meditation, but it feels a little hard or unknown, don't worry. Think of this guided meditation as an audiobook where you are the main character. Together, we'll shed the weight of old limitations and rise to limitless freedom. Are you ready? Let's begin. You've been walking through the city of your mind. The streets, the walls, they've all been constructed by stories, programs, illusions. You feel the weight of it, don't you? The weight of expectations, of worry, the programming placed upon you by others, and maybe by yourself. It's time to break free. Let's go deeper. Breathe. Deep and steady. In through your nose. Out through your mouth. Feel yourself letting go. Feel the weight. The tension melting away as you focus on the now. With every breath, the noise of the world fades. The hum of the city dims. You enter a space where only this moment matters. Look around you now. You're standing in a vast empty city. The streets stretch endlessly in every direction. Deserted. But there's an energy here. An invisible pulse. Like a quiet hum. Vibrating beneath your skin. Skyscrapers rise around you. Towering. Hollow. But not real. These structures, these streets, are built from thoughts, from everything you've been told. Stories of who you're supposed to be, of what's possible. These buildings are made of limitations, and you've been living inside them. Look down. Feel that weight on your back. It's heavy, isn't it? A burden you've carried for far too long. A backpack full of fear, of old ideas that have weighed you down, each step harder because of them. But here's the thing. Gravity isn't real. Not here. The Matrix is a construct, and you control it. As you walk through these empty streets, the weight of that backpack presses harder. The ground beneath your feet is cracked, as though the earth itself is parched from the weight of all you've been carrying. Your legs feel heavy. Your shoulders burn under the pressure. And your mind, looping, repeats those old stories. This is the code you've been running. But it no longer serves you. It's time to let it go. Feel the roughness of the path beneath your feet. Feel the weight pressing into your shoulders. Now, you're going to release it. Stop. Take off that backpack. Look inside. You will find everything you have been carrying. The weight of old fears. The rules others wrote for you. The what-ifs. The you're not enoughs. Every burden. Every expectation. One by one, take them out. Look at them. Do they belong to you? Or are they simply illusions? Lines of code meant to hold you in place. You don't need these anymore. Set them down. With every piece you let go, you feel lighter. The world around you softens. The sky opens, wider. Removing each piece brings you closer to your true self. You are lighter now. And the city, it no longer holds you. And now with the weight gone, you feel a stirring deep within you. An energy rising, swirling like the first gust of wind before a storm. You crouch down, the earth beneath you firm, yet crackling with power. And then, you leap. You rise into the air, weightless. The ground falls away. The streets and buildings shrinking, fading beneath you. The wind catches you, sweet and cool, lifting you higher, higher. You are flying now, soaring above the world that once held you down. You are free. You are limitless. The city is beneath you, a mere memory, but you are rising. Feel it, the wind rushing past your skin, lifting you, pulling you higher into the sky. Your body is light, strong, supple. Each breath you take fills you with more life, more clarity. Can you feel the energy in your veins? It pulses through you, igniting every cell, every part of your being. There's no resistance, no heaviness. You glide effortlessly, turning, spinning, diving. You are in control of every movement, every choice. The boundaries that once seemed real have dissolved, like mist in the morning sun. You are weightless, free. The sky is yours. As you soar, the echoes of the old stories try to cling to you, like whispers in the wind. But you brush them away with ease, like dust falling from your fingertips. They dissolve into the air, gone, leaving you pure, whole. This is your power. You are no longer bound by what was. You are creating your path, right here, right now. Wherever you fly, that's where your future begins. You are limitless. You can go anywhere, be anything, and create the life you want. The universe bends to your will. Up here, everything is clear. The city, the life you once knew, is far below. Look at it now from this height. See it for what it truly is. A construct, a story. But you are beyond it. You can see beyond the mirage. You see the paths you've walked, the choices you've made. And now, from this high vantage point, you can see every possibility. You see the future unfolding before you, limitless, open. There are no walls here, no limits. Every breath you take expands your vision. Every movement feels effortless and free. You've flown above it all, seen the world from the highest place. And now, as you return, you know the truth. You can rise above whenever you choose. The power to fly, to create, to be free. It's always been yours. Remember, freedom isn't given, it's taken. And now, you know how. Carry this freedom with you, always. This is your truth. You are the one.
Thanks for joining us on this journey through the meditation multiverse. If you enjoyed leveling up your chill game, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our cinematic adventures and start writing your own reality today. See you in the next universe.